Hi there, Alex Ramirez with Trusted Mortgage Pro. I'm the CEO and Chief Mortgage Advisor, and we've been in business for the last 11 years, helping clients like yourself, helps saving them money either on their property taxes, mortgage planning, college, education, and the whole gamut when it comes to financial planning. I wanted to give you this form and this flyer to let you know about Proposition 8. And I'm just really upset at the counties right now, especially in California, being that they're not advertising this in their property tax bill that they send out to all the homeowners. I'm a resident here in Temecula, which is in the Riverside County area, and it's just not being sent out to anyone. Doesn't matter if you're in San Diego County, San Francisco, anywhere within California, they're not advertising this to let homeowners know that they can get their property reassessed. And that's what I'm giving you this form about. It's called Proposition 8, and what it entails is if your value of your property is lower than what the assessed value is that the county has you listed at, you can save money on your tax bill. And it's simple. Really, all you have to do is give us a call. We will take a look at the comparables. Some counties ask for 2 comparable home sales, some ask for 3. It just depends what county you're in. And you have to be kind of specific, and that's where I come into play. Some people have been saying, oh, Alex, I'm going to go on Zillow, or I'm going to go on the internet real quick and find a couple houses, or walk around the block and call my realtor and say, hey, you know, what's been selling in the area? Can you give me a couple houses? Okay, it's all fine and dandy that you guys do that, but it's costing people either A, a lot of money on what they could have saved if I would have taken a look and got more zeroed in on what you can save. 2, you guys are getting rejection letters, and now people are coming to me saying, Alex, I totally messed this up. I got a rejection letter. Can you still help me save some money? So, you know, that's where my expertise comes into play. You really need someone that's going to spend probably 20 to 30 minutes looking at the area, finding the exact comparables, and knowing what the county assessor is going to look for. Because this form is going to go to the county assessor. They're going to take a look at it, say, okay, what houses are you putting on here? What do we want to put on here? And then they might either reject you, they might counteroffer you, and if you're lucky, they're going to accept you. But few and far between that are getting approved just as they're sent in on that form. The county's not wanting to let go of this money, basically, to be honest. I mean, they're going to try to save as much money as they can, and as you know, California's in a deficit with their budget. So, you know, taxes are one of the biggest revenues that California gets as a state. So, I mean, it just makes perfect sense. They're going to try to hold as much of this as they can. And not only that, that's why they're not advising homeowners on this on their property tax bill. That's another reason why they're not sending out a letter. That's why they're not sending you the Proposition 8 form. I mean, just, you know, take a look at what's happening with the counties. They're not going to let you know about it. And statistics from the county is that only 1 out of every 10 homeowners is going to fill out this form and get some savings on their tax bill because of this. So 90% of you out there are not going to do anything, or you're going to fill out the form incorrectly, or you're not going to know how to file an appeal, and you're not going to save anything on your tax bill. That's some staggering numbers, and that's why I'm creating this service. That's why I'm being actually active in the communities and getting this information out to you. So if you give me a call, basically what we'll do is we'll look over your property, we'll ask you for your address, we'll take a look real quick on what is it that we can save for you. If there's even a benefit for you, obviously, which is the number one reason that before we start anything. And after that, if there is some savings, we'll help you in filling out that form for you with our service that we provide. So give me a call. Don't try to do it on your own. I know some people are calling their realtors, going on the internet, walking around the block. It's just worth your time, worth the energy for you to pick up the phone and give me a call, or shoot me an email, or leave me a voicemail if you want, and say, Alex, I need your help. Just tell me what you think you could do for me. Because, like I say, some people that have called me in, I've helped them save an extra, you know, $500 to $1,000 before they sent in the form on their own. I found some more comparables, some recent sales, things that we only have access to because we're mortgage companies and we have access to the multiple listing service. I have direct access to county records, just stuff that's not available to the public. So other than that, I just want to let you know some other key features of it, some questions that a lot of people ask me when they call in. Will this affect my property value if I want to sell my home or if I want to refinance? The answer to that is no. It only affects your assessed value, which is what the basis is for your taxes. So it won't affect you on that. Another question is, will I get a tax bill next year with the difference? It's like a loan. Is this like, you know, something I'm going to have to pay back over the next few years? No. You're never going to have to pay the money back. That's what Proposition is for. Proposition 8 is to save you money when the value of the home is lower than what the county is taxing you at. Is this automatic next year again for me? That's another good question. No. Every year, the county is going to reassess your property, and it could go up, it could go down. There's no limit to how high and low it can go down, except for when it goes back onto the higher amount. It can't go past what your current assessed value was plus 2% per year. So there is a cap as to how high it can go. But next year, if the houses go up in value, trust me, the county's going to try to collect more on their property tax bill. And that's why we're here, is we're going to double check what they reassess the property at next year, and we can also file an appeal for you next year. So there's all these processes that you can do and that are set up for homeowners. It's just that A, they don't know how to do it, B, they didn't even know it existed, and C, they don't have the resources available to them to help them fight with the county and get the best possible results. And that's what we're here for. Again, we've been in the mortgage business for the last 11 years, and that's our whole purpose. Help people reach their financial freedom, help people save money wherever it is that they can. I mean, that's what we're here for. So I just want to create this short video. If you have any other questions, feel free to do a comment right here on the side. You can see that there's a little spot for you to send me a comment, and it'll come straight to me on an email. You can also send it to a friend if you hit the subscribe button right below. Or I'm sorry, send it to a friend below, and you can subscribe right up here on the top left-hand corner. And then I'm going to be periodically sending out advertisement as far as what rates might be doing, you know, if there's any other tips that come out. Especially Congress right now is doing a lot to try to help homeowners save their properties. So I'll be giving tips on that if you find yourself in that situation, or if you know of family members or close ones, loved ones that are in that situation right now in this market. We're here to help. We're FHA approved, and what that means is that we have loan programs available for people regardless of how many late payments they have or regardless of their credit score. It's government-backed, insured programs that will help homeowners. So if you find yourself in the mix of I need to get a rate freeze, I need to maybe look at saving my home, I owe more than my house is worth, there's still programs out there for you. I'm just a big advocate of getting out there in whatever means possible, and this is just one of the fashions that we have been trying to get out there and reach people in the community, to have them give us a call and let us, I should say, give you some counseling free of charge to show you what we can do. So I thank you for watching this video. Feel free to contact me if you have any other questions, and I look forward to giving you more great value and more great advice as to other things that can help you as a homeowner save money, especially during these tough times we're in right now. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later. Have a great day. Bye for now.